السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome my dears grade 2 in language schools. Math is fun by شيماء سعيد. قبل ما نبدأ شرحنا النهاردة اوعوا تنسوا تشتركوا في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكوا جميع دروس العام الدراسي 2020. النهاردة آخر يوم لينا في مراجعات الفصل الدراسي الأول، وإن شاء الله بإذن الله معاكم مكملة مع دروس الفصل الدراسي الثاني والسنوات القادمة. شكرا لكم لمتابعتكم ولنشركم للقناة. Our first question is complete using the following signs: less than, greater than, or equal. 245, 324. Here we have 2 in hundreds place, and here we have 3 in hundreds place. Here we have a 3-digit number, and here we have a 3-digit number. So 200 is less than 300. What about 550 and 550? It's the same. Here we have 3-digit number, and here we have 3-digit number. 5 in hundreds place, 5 in hundreds place. 5 in tens place, 5 in tens place. 0 in ones place, 0 in ones place. So 550 is equal to 550. 610 and 805. To compare between 610 and 805, here we have 3-digit number, and here we have 3-digit number. So look at hundreds digit. 6 in hundreds place, 8 in hundreds place. You know that 6 is less than 8. So 610 is less than 805. What about 333 and 410? Which one is great? 3 in hundreds place is less than 4 in hundreds place. So 333 is less than 410. Before compare between two numbers, you must count the number of digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3-digit number, and here we have 1, 2, 3-digit number. Then look at hundreds place at first. The digit in hundreds place here is 3. The digit in hundreds place here is 6. So 3 is less than 6, or 300 is less than 600. 341 less than 632. The last one, we have 982 and 532. This is a 3-digit number, and that is a 3-digit number. Here we have 9 in hundreds place, and here we have 5 in hundreds place. You know that 9 is greater than 5. So 982 is greater than 532. The second question is, choose the correct answer from the following: 2 hours and a quarter of an hour. 2 hours, it means 60 minutes plus 60 minutes. Quarter of an hour means 15 minutes. So we will add 60 to 60 to 15. 60 plus 60 plus 15 equals 120 plus 15 equals 135 minutes. So we'll choose 135. What about 120 minutes? 120 minutes equals 2 hours. Well done. Because 1 hour equals 60 minutes, so 120 minutes equals 60 plus 60, so 2 hours. 1 hour and 17 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 17 minutes equals 77. So an hour and 17 minutes equals 77 minutes. Now complete the following. The solid whose faces are all squares is cube. The solid whose faces are all is triangles is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. The solid whose faces are rectangles. Cuboid. Now arrange the following numbers ascendingly and descendingly. You know that when we want to arrange numbers ascendingly, we start with the smallest one. Here we have 624 and we have 357, 425 and 286. The smallest one is 286. Excellent. After that, 357, 425, 624. So when you want to arrange numbers ascendingly, count the number of digits, then look at hundreds place. All these numbers, 3-digit numbers. So look at hundreds place. 6 in hundreds, 3 in hundreds, 4 in hundreds, 2 in hundreds. So 200 is the smallest one. After that 300. After that 400. The greatest number is 600. Now we want to arrange these numbers descendingly, which means from the greatest to the smallest. So the greatest number is, well done, 624. After that, 425, 357, 286. Now write the following numbers: 257, 752, 275 in their places so that the numbers are in the ascending order. 183, 249, 257 or 275? Excellent, 257. After that, 275. 659. 752. The last one, 957. Now write the following numbers: 444, 730, 268 in their places so that the numbers are in descending order. Descending order from the greatest to the smallest. Okay. The greatest number is 980. After 980, 400 or 700 or 200? Excellent, 730. After that, 650, 510. We have 444 and 268. Which one? Excellent, 444. After that, 300. After that, 268 is the smallest one. Now complete. Can you write this number? Here we have 3 in ones place, 1 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place. So the number is 113. The second number, we have 2 in ones place, 2 in tens place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in hundreds place. So the number is 722. Now we want to arrange these months. Who can arrange? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Complete the following. How old is Mariam? From this table, Mariam's age is 3. 3 years old. Okay, how old is Marwan? Marwan is 5. How old is Ahmed? Ahmed is 6. How old is Aisha? Aisha is 8. Okay, complete the table. Number, with adding 1, adding 10, adding 100. Okay, 499. When we add 1 to 499, we get 500. Excellent. But when we add 110, which is 10, to 499, we increase the value of the tens place by 1. So we will put 9 in ones place, then add 1 to 9 becomes 10, write 0 and carry 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the number will become 510. What about adding 100? Increase the value of hundreds place by 1. So 4 becomes 5. So the number here is 599. Here we have 745. When we subtract 10, the number is 735. And when we add 1 to 735, we get 736. When we add 100 to 735, we have 835. Now we will subtract 100 from 806 to get the number. 806 minus 100 equals 706. When we add 1, we have 707. When we add 10 to 706, we have 716. Now we will subtract 1 from 634. 634 minus 1 equals 633. When we add 10 to 633, we have 643. When we add 100 to 633, we have 733. Now we can put any number like 347, add 1, 348, add 10, 357, add 100, 447. It's so easy. Okay, put true under the lightest one. Which one is the lightest? Is it the banana, pencil, or feather? Excellent. Feather is the lightest one. أخف واحدة في الأشكال دي كلها هي الريشة. Put less than or greater than or is equal to 399, 391. Here we have 3-digit number and here we have 3-digit number. Here we have 3 in hundreds place and here we have 3 in hundreds place. 9 in tens place, 9 in tens place. But 9 in ones place, 1 in ones place. So 399 is greater than 391. What about 401 in standard form and 401 in word form? It's the same, so put equal sign. 645, 654. 3-digit number, 3-digit number. 6 in hundreds place, 6 in hundreds place. 4 in tens place, 5 in tens place. 5 is greater than 4, so 645 is less than 654. What about 700 in standard form and 700 in word form? It's the same, so put equal sign. Now complete in the same pattern. 100, after that 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. We add 100 each time. The second one, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200. We subtract 100 each time. Now choose the closest answer. The closest answer. اختار الإجابة الأقرب. هي مش الوزن بالظبط ولكنها الأقرب. Watermelon weight. Is it 5 kilogram or 100 kilogram or 77 kilogram? Excellent. 5 kilogram. What about the weight of elephant? Is it 9 kilogram, 90 kilogram, or 900 kilogram? Well done, 900 kilogram. What about the weight of hen? 3 kilogram. Excellent. So the weight of hen is 3 kilogram. Now complete the following table by writing the 10th digit and its value. Which digit here in tens place and what is the value of that digit? For example, 564. The digit in tens place is 6. Its value is 60. 387. Which digit in tens place? Who can tell me? Well done, 8 in tens place. 419. Which digit in tens place? Excellent, 1 in tens place. 159. Which digit in tens place? Excellent, 5 in tens place. 730. Which digit in tens place? Well done, 3 in tens place. 794. Which digit in tens place? 9 in tens place. So can you write the value of the digit in tens place? Pay attention, the value. 8 in tens place, its value is 80. 1 in tens place equals 10. 5 in tens place equals 50. 3 in tens place equals 30. 9 in tens place equals 90. You're great. Now complete. This is expanded form. We want to write the number in its standard form. How can we convert expanded form to standard form? Pay attention. 9 plus 80 plus 600. So we will write the number as 689. 6 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, 9 in ones place. Pay attention for the values of the numbers. 6 plus 40 plus 800. We will write the number as 846. 0 plus 10 plus 500. Who can tell me? Excellent, 510. 4 plus 30 plus 900. 934. Now write the following numbers in word form. This is standard form and we want to write the number in words. So we will write 123 in letters. 123. 654. Write in letters. 654. 967. 967. Now estimate the result. 12. We can estimate 12 to 10 because 12 is close to 10. 36. We can estimate it as 40. So 10 plus 40 equals 50. If you add these two numbers, you will have 48, which is closest to 50. Now 28. We will estimate 28 to 30. 30 as it is. 30 plus 30 equals 60. The value of the addition operation equals 58. 58 is close to 60. Now add using double of number strategy. Double of number strategy. You know that 4 and 5 are two consecutive numbers. عددين متتاليين. في الحالة دي بنستخدم double of number plus 1. وبنعمل double لمين؟ للsmallest digit. في عندي عددين متتاليين واحد أصغر من التاني. لو هستخدم double of number plus 1 بضاعف العدد الأصغر، ولو استخدمت double of number minus 1 بضاعف العدد الأكبر. لكن هنا بما إنه كله بلس فإحنا هنعمل plus 1 فأنا هضاعف العدد الأصغر. يبقى 4 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. What about 3 and 4? Also 3 and 4 are two consecutive numbers. So we will use double of number plus 1. Double the smallest digit, which is 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay, look at the following table. This is the chart express the number of sisters, brothers, or both brothers and sisters for students of the class. The first express 3. The second express 5, which is only sisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third with only brothers express 3. So color 3. The last one, both the brothers and sisters express 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So color 7. Now complete. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Double of number 5. Double of number 1. Double of number 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. But 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 13 plus 3, we can say 13 equals 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10 plus 6 equals 16. Or we count 3 digits after, or we count 3 after 13, we have 14, 15, 16. 8 plus 3. We can use making 10 strategy. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 4 plus 4, double of number 4 equals 8. 10 plus 10, double of number 10 equals 20. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now complete the following table using making 10 strategy. 4 plus unknown number equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. The same. 2 plus unknown number equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. It's the same. Ahmed bought a packet of milk for 36 pounds and a candy for 12 pounds. So what I paid for it? So what Ahmed paid for it is 36 plus 12, which is 48. Here we have 6 in ones, so write 6 in ones, 3 in tens. Here we have 2 in ones, 1 in tens. So we will add 6 ones to 2 ones, 3 tens to 1 tens. 6 plus 2 equals 8 in ones, 3 plus 1 equals 4 in tens. So 36, we can decompose 36 to 30 plus 6 and decompose 12 to 10 plus 2. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So 48, we can decompose it as 40 plus 8. Estimate the result using a place value strategy. Pay attention. With Mona 74 pounds, she bought a toy with Mona With Mona 74 pounds, she bought a toy for 26 pounds. Estimate the remainder with her. Estimate. Okay. We can estimate 74 to 70 and 26 to 20 according to place value strategy. So 17. So the remainder is 70 minus 20 equals 50 when we estimate the remainder. Now complete adding and subtracting the following numbers. 16 plus 3. We count 3 after 16. We have 17, 18, 19. So the sum is 19. 5 plus unknown numbers equals 15. Excellent. 5 plus 10 equals 15. 9 minus 3 equals, we can count 6. We can count numbers after 3 to get 9. So we count 6 numbers. 13 minus unknown number equals 7. It's the same as 13 minus 7. We can say 13 minus 3 equals 10 minus 4 equals 6. Using subtracting by making 10. Unknown number minus 10 equals 5. So we will add 10 to 5 to know this number. 10 plus 5 equals 15. The last one is so easy. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Count after 6. To get 9, you will count 3 numbers. Now 5 tenths plus 3 tenths equals 8 tenths. 2 tenths plus 7 tenths equals 9 tenths. Or we can say 1 tenth plus 8 tenths equals 9 tenths. 2 tenths plus 7 tenths equals 9 tenths. Or we can say 3 tenths plus 6 tenths equals 9 tenths. Or 4 tenths plus 5 tenths equals 9 tenths. Okay. 4 tenths plus 1 tenth equals 5 tenths. 10 tenths minus 5 tenths equals, excellent, 5 tenths, because 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 tenths minus 4 tenths equals 4 tenths. Well done. Choose the correct answer. The height of the classroom in meters is 4 or 50 or 300 meters. Excellent. 4 meters. Lamia saw 6 butterflies and she saw another 5 butterflies. How many butterflies did Lamia see in total? The number of all butterflies that Lamia saw is 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now write the number of vertices for each shape. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second shape, 1, 2, 3. The third shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now choose the correct answer. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. The length of the pencil equals 10 centimeters. Can you arrange the following numbers ascendingly? Yes, of course. We will arrange these numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Firstly, count the number of digits. 3-digit number, 3-digit number, 3-digit number, 3-digit number, and 3-digit number. Then look at hundreds place. 4 in hundreds place, 3 in hundreds place, 5 in hundreds place, 5 in hundreds place. Pay attention. 1 in hundreds place. So the smallest number is 125. After that, 325. 425. We have 500 and another 500. 20. But here we have 4 in ones, here we have 3 in ones. So 523 is smaller than 524. وبكده يبقى احنا انتهينا من مراجعات الفصل الدراسي الأول. النهاردة كانت المراجعة النهائية ومراجعة ليلة الامتحان. شكرا ليكم لمتابعتكم، أتمنى ان انا اكون فدتكم في الفصل الدراسي الأول ومكملة معاكم ان شاء الله في منهج الفصل الدراسي الثاني. استأذنكم في شير للقناة ومتابعتكم وتعليقاتكم اللي بتسعدني جدا وتشجعني ان انا استمر. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.